Welcome. This is the introductory video to the Southern Photonics IQScope. The IQScope is an optical modulation analyzer which uses an equivalent time oscilloscope. An optical modulation analyzer is a tool that gives you the health and the quality of your optical transmitter. The IQScope can be used with many different equivalent time oscilloscopes, including the Tektronix 8300, the LaCroix Wave Expert, and the Agilent 86100 series of oscilloscopes. So the IQScope is shown here underneath an equivalent time oscilloscope. And the IQScope is connected to our transmitter, which is running at 28 gigabaud, providing a QPSK signal. The IQScope can be used with many different types of optical modulation formats, such as chirped NRZ, QPSK, 16 QAM, or higher modulation formats like 64 or 256 QAM. Now, the fact that the IQScope uses an equivalent time oscilloscope is a very important distinction compared to our competitors that use real-time oscilloscopes. There are three major advantages of using an equivalent time oscilloscope. The first major advantage is the lower noise performance that you get from the equivalent time oscilloscopes. In that lower noise performance, you also get 15 bits of quantization instead of 5 bits of quantization that you get from a real-time oscilloscope. The second major advantage is that we can do up to 2,000 sample points per baud, whereas the real-time solutions can only do 3, 4, 5 sample points per baud, depending on the baud rate. This is important when you really want to see, with fine granularity, the transitions from one symbol period to the next. For example, if you were doing optical precompensation, it would be really important for you to see this with fine granularity, the transitions between symbol periods. Now, the third most important advantage is the cost advantage. Equivalent time oscilloscopes are significantly less expensive than real-time oscilloscopes, yet you still get the same or better performance out of your optical modulation analyzer solution. So for more information, please come to southernphotonics.com and view our other videos as well as our introductory slides. Thank you very much.